Rabbi, welcome everyone. Every Thursday we try to learn a little bit from the Heilige Rebbe Levi Main. This week's Parshas Shlach, and as many people are going out on vacations or other travels, perhaps business travels as well, as I plan to this week, and probably will be as this is being released to the public, this following Dvar Torah is rather appropriate. In the book of this week's Parshas Shlach, in the book of Numbers, chapter 13, verse 2, we read, Shlach l'cha nashim, send men for you a klal. So the Heilige Rebbe says the general rule is as follows: when a Jew arrives, an Israelite man arrives at a particular place and worships the Lord there, he serves the Lord there. So then all the holy sparks are there. They are embarrassed from him. Because he's revealing the root and the main purpose of creation. As our sages teach in the Talmud tractate Shabbos Lamed Aleph Amud Beis 31b in the Sabbath tractate, Lo bara Kedush Baruch Hu, that God only created the world for the sake of that people should fear Him and be in awe of Him. And then it's easy to conquer them. This was the intent of sending out the spies. But the way to accomplish that is to remove oneself from materialism, which is very difficult to do. Then you can conquer them. This is the meaning of send, to remove that this concept refers to this idea of, in Genesis 37 verse 32, that it says that they removed Joseph's clothes. The Aramaic translation is also the same root etymology as to send. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we should see you later. God bless.
Tenemos,